Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. This is our Learn to Trade with Trading Systems webinar. Um, we'll get started shortly here. All right. So as you come in, just put your name in the chat and just let us know how much experience you have. All right. Um, we'll go through this quickly here. Um, so learn to trade with trading systems. We'll get started shortly. I'm going to share my screen here. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, guys. Um, trading systems, right? The reason we use trading systems is that to really give us an advantage, give us an edge in trading. All right. So a lot of the work that's done in trading, a lot of it is done manually. So the goal in trading is to use we call algorithms, right? Algorithms to um, tell us when to enter the trade and when to exit the trade. All right, so that we don't have to guess, think about that process. Okay, so just think of trading systems as systematic. All right, in nature, they're systematic, and they're going to do the same thing over and over. Okay, so um, as an example, all right, when we buy, we always want to buy when the price breaks resistance, right? We talk about this in our beginners class, right? We're going to buy when the price breaks resistance, sell when the price breaks support. Well, normally, as a trader, what you have to do, I'm going to, these are all our trading systems. I'm going to find an easier system um, to demonstrate this. Okay, so here's your price chart here. All right, here are your candles here. Guys, in the chat, I've put some information to download. Okay, and also you should see an offer for coaching. So if anyone needs coaching, all right, just click on that link. All right, that'll take you to the website, and you guys can get more information on coaching. I do one-on-one coaching every week. Okay, but if you guys look here, forget about everything else. Okay, we're just going to focus on the chart and the price action. Okay. The reason we use trading systems again is so that, right, we don't have to be bogged down with all of the mundane task. Okay, the systems, right, and we have about 24 different systems. Each system is unique. All right, so they're going to provide a specific task that we require from the system. The most perhaps important but most basic task is your support and resistance line. So if you guys ever hear me talk, all right, or give a review on trades, we'll always talk about support and resistance. All right, support and resistance. Now, support and resistance, if if you guys hear me talk, it's critical. Okay, because that's where all your buying and selling will happen, around support and resistance. Okay, I'm trying to find a clean chart here. Okay, So what you have to do, all right, what you have to do is you have to, this is a clean one here. All right. As a trader, you have to manually draw in your support and resistance lines as the price moves. So you would do this, something like this here. All right. So you would bring in a horizontal line, and here would be, as an example, hold on. So this line here, all right, this would be your, see this line right here that's automatically drawn right here. All right. You would have to basically draw in your lines like this for resistance, and then support is down here. Okay. Support is down here. All right. Now we use the system to manually, the system will manually, automatically bring in your support and resistance lines. So these lines right here, this line right here, right? This line right here, these are your support and resistance lines. And our trading systems, all our systems will automatically bring in your support and resistance lines. Okay, if you notice here, and I'll go over this, this is where we would buy, right? We would buy here. If you do not have a system that's going to automatically draw in your support and resistance lines, you have to bring them in automatically. Okay, all right. So if you don't have a system, a trading system like we have here, okay, to bring in your support and resistance lines to indicate, all right, to you where to enter and where to exit, then you have to bring in those lines manually as the price moves. So every time that these candles, it creates a new candle, you've got to bring in your support and resistance lines manually. Okay. Now what that does is that's a lot of work, mundane work. All right, a lot of tasks that you have to do because you have to draw these lines, all right, or bring them in manually every time, and you have to do that for everything you trade. All right, so every instrument, right? So every symbol, you have to track it on every single time frame. Okay, and you would just do it like this. So you do your lines like this, do your lines like this, and then you have to manually find, okay, where's the support right here, where's the resistance right here, and then as the price goes down into the markdown phase, you have to find support here, right? You got to find resistance here. You got to move it down like this. I mean, look at all of this work here you have to do. You have to move it down. Forget about your entry and exit. All you're doing now is just tracking price with support and resistance. So what the system will do, and all our systems will draw in your support and resistance lines automatically for us and on every time frame. All right. So it's going through as the price is going higher in the markup phase, going lower in the markdown phase. These support and resistance lines are drawn in automatically, which is pretty cool. All right. On every time frame. So let's say we move this from a 240-minute time frame to a 15-minute time frame. We still have support and resistance lines that's drawn in automatically. Let's say we move it to a daily time frame. All right. Same support and resistance lines are drawn in automatically. Doesn't seem like a big deal, especially new traders. If you haven't been trading, it doesn't seem like a big deal, but um, guys, it's a big deal. All right, when you happen to draw those lines, support and resistance lines manually, it takes a lot of time, and you have to be accurate. And when the market is moving fast, right, it becomes a concern. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go back here. So Support and resistance lines, that's a big deal. Those are drawn in automatically. Okay. Another thing that we do with trading systems is that um, as the price breaks resistance, right, where we get a buy signal, okay, it will plot a buy signal. So our algorithms, all right, is designed, all right, to um, give us a buy signal or a sell signal when the buyers are coming into the market, all right, to buy. And then when the sellers are entering the market to sell, all right, it will give us a sell signal, okay? So it will look something like this here. Let's go here. Hold on. Okay, so this buy, this right here, guys, these blue arrows here, these blue arrows on a break of resistance. So when the price broke resistance here, we got a buy signal here. When it broke support, we got a sell signal. All right, buy signal here, broke resistance, broke support, sell signal here. All right, so, and that will just continue as the price moves. Buy signal here, this blue arrow, buy signal, and no sell signal yet to get out. So we have a systematic process. All right. So rather than as a trader having to guess where to enter, where to exit, we have a systematic process where the system will now tell us, hey, price broke resistance, buyers are in control. So we would buy here, price broke support. All right. So we bought here. Look here, price went up, price broke support right here. All right. Sell signal, white arrow here. So a white arrow, that's our sell signal. Blue arrow, that's our buy signal. So we would have bought here, sold here. And now we would get out and then wait. Okay. So notice, all right. We have our moving averages here, right? Not the, I'm sorry, support and resistance here. These are moving averages also, but the focus, what I want to focus on right now on the support and resistance. So your support and resistance lines are drawn in automatically, okay, all the way up. Yellow support and resistance, what that means is the price is moving higher, right? We call this the markup phase. Our buy signal here, so it would trigger a buy signal. So rather than guessing, trying to figure out, okay, where do I enter? It would just plot it right here. Our algorithms, hey, to buy here, sell here, perfect trading here. All right. Notice also we have the candles are color coded, so we can color code our systems so that we know, hey, green candles, buyers, buyers, buyers are in control. Red candles, right, sellers, so we should be out of the trade. White candles, neutral. All right. So whenever we see mixed stuff, you notice here most of these are all green candles. These are red. When it's mixed like this, right, no trading. All right, we should be just totally out waiting for the next trade. So we bought here, sold here as an example, waited, waited, waited. Here's just your support and resistance. Price broke resistance here. We got a buy signal, all green candles here, and we will just continue to hold the trade. So this is what's really cool, guys, about trading systems. Okay, we can tell us when the price, right, breaks resistance to buy, breaks the support to sell. All right. And this is really cool because, hey, we know green candles, buyers, we should be buying. Red candles, we should be out. But guess what? The system told us, okay, buy here, sell here. And this is not after the fact. This is in real time. All right. So right now, this current trade is open right here. All right. So hope this helped. All right. Hope this helped. This is just one of the reasons why we use trading systems. Okay. Now, if you guys need me for anything, like I said, we do coaching, we do one-on-one coaching. All right. You should see that information in the chat. You can download a slide. One of our, let me hold this here. One of our traders. All right, here, hold on. Right here, Dean. All right, Dean had been trading manually for years, and you can find his testimonial on the website too. So you guys, the website, monstertradingsystems.com. You can go to the website and listen to Dean's testimony. I think we've done 3 different video testimonials on Dean, from his first trade all the way to where he is currently. Okay, and you guys can see his picture here. All right, you can see his picture here with his trading systems. Okay, so if you've thought about trading systems, thought about trading, just get with us and we can certainly help you. Okay, all right, guys, take care. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye bye.